Welcome back to the Stardust channel, everyone. If you haven't danced with me before, I'm Hannah from Stardust Dance Academy in Cambridge, and in this video I'm going to break down and teach you my dance to Friend Like Me from Aladdin. So this is a jazz dance and this is just the tutorial video, so we're not going to be dancing it with music. I'm just going to teach it to you step by step. Once you've learned the dance moves and you are ready to perform with music, I've made a separate video for you and I will drop the link down below so you can practice it with me and the music when you're ready. When the music starts, you're just going to have a little step or you can do a little twist, and then we're going to start. We're going to slide 1 and 2, tuck it behind, turn towards your back shoulder, 3, 4, and again, 1 and 2, 3, 4, one more, 1 and 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to run on the spot, or kind of you can bring it back to the middle, da 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 da. Is how the music goes. Good. And that can bring you back to the center. Fabulous. We're then going to take a step behind and you're going to do a nice little shoulder roll with it. We go 1, 2, 3 and flick. Just a small flick. Other way. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to take a bigger kick this time. So push through the floor and kick your leg. Don't worry about how high it's going, but push through that floor. So we go 1, 2, 3 little flick, 5, 6, 7 big kick. Nice. You're going to bring your arms into jazz first, tuck your foot behind and turn. Lovely. And then he says hand, you're going to look at your hand, hand, good. And then you're going to shake. I think the lyrics are something about magic up your sleeve and you're going to shake, 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 shake all the way up. Fabulous. Okay, let's see if we can do that a little bit, just marking it through together. So you've got your beginning, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, run. Da la la da da and step. 1, 2, 3 little flick. 1, 2, 3 big kick. Cross, turn, magic up your sleeve and shake. Good. Next, we're going to take a nice big jump. You're going to bring your hands together and they're going to stretch up to the ceiling. So you go jump in and then you're going to point at the corners of your room. Good. Then we're going to rise up, bend, jump out. Nice. Good job. So we've gone jump and place, rise and jump. Lovely. Then on the lyrics it says some punch, pizzazz. So we're going to punch a hand. Got some punch, pizzazz, and then he says yahoo and how. So you can either take a turn up on your toes, crossing your wrists, or you can take it as an inward pirouette up if you've done turns before, your choice. Alright? So punch, pizzazz, yahoo and how, and then he says all you gotta do is rub that loud. So you're going to shake your hands all the way down. Good. Then we've got a little box step next, okay? So when he says Mr. Aladdin, so imagine you've got a square on the floor. You're going to step across to the corner, other foot comes across, and then to the back corner, back corner. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and just let your arms swing naturally. So remember, you're stepping across to the corner, round, back, back. Good job. So we just do it once. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to do a little jump out, heel lifted and jazz hands. Good. And then we do it again. 1, 2, but we step back, back, and this prepares us for a turn. So if you've done pirouettes, you can do a pirouette. If not, you can just bring it into a balance here. Then you're going to jump out for you ain't never had a friend like me. And bring it in. Good. Very nice. Okay, so remember, if you need to rewind and go through any bits, you can. If not, I'm going to keep going. Okay, remember, you can always pause and rewind and rewatch if you need to. If not, let's carry on. So we repeat the first little bit, going behind, side, front, little flick, behind, side, front, big kick. Lovely. But then in the music, he says, go and whisper what it is you want. So we do a little ball change and you're going to mime whispering and with a little bounce. Come on, whisper whatever it is you want, then jump. You ain't never had a friend like me into yourself again. Good, very nice. Okay, let's do it from the beginning. as a quick recap of everything we've done. So, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba-da-ba, turn, and again. Ba-da-ba, really shoot those arms out. Ba-da-ba, round and run. Da-da-da-da-da, and step. 1, 2, 3, and flick. 5, 6, 7, kick, cross. Turn, up your sleeve and shake. Ready to jump, and pose again. Reach and out. Punch, pizzazz, yahoo and how. All you gotta do is rub that lat. And I'll say box step. 2, 3, 4, and shake. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. For your turn. You ain't never had a friend like me. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, and flick. 1, 2, 3, big kick. Whisper whatever it is you want. You ain't never had a friend like me. Next, we are going to take a big gallop to the side. Gallop, and then rock it back. And then slide, bring it into a parallel retire, drop your head, and then shoot it up. Good. Again, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. You're then going to circle, sweep, tap, circle, sweep, tap. Good. 2 steps forward, open your arms. 1, 2, and then we're going to walk back and bring the arms forwards. Lovely. Good. Again from the gallop. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go back. 2, 3, 4. Good. Well done. Carrying on, we're going to take 2 nice slow steps to the side, and we're going to look to the side as well. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and it's kind of like you've got a plate or a tray of food you are serving. Other way, 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. We're going to cross them in front, cross, flick, then your hand's going to go up, and then you're going to point. Good, with a little like click. Fabulous. And then you're going to jump it out for you ain't never had a friend like me. And again, you can kind of make this bit your own. You might want to point with 1 thumb, both thumbs, whatever you like. All right, so let's do it from the gallop. We go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in, up. Circle, circle, come forwards, 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 back. Quick, 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 quick. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, jump, and mid. Awesome. Then we get to repeat. It's that da-da-da-da-da bit that we already know. So we're going to repeat our slides 3 times, but when we do our run, I want you to finish with an ending pose. And that's the end of our dance today. All right, so you can choose the ending. You can copy my pose if you want to, or feel free to come up with your own. So I'm going to mark it through one last time from the beginning, just with counts for you. And then when you're ready, remember that music video is below whenever you are ready to dance it full out as many times as you like with the music. So let's mark it one last time, and then you can practice it with the music. Here we go. So you're just going to twist. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, ready. Run, 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 jump. And 1, 2, 3, little flick. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Punch, pizzazz, yahoo and how, and shake. Good. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat the beginning. Behind, side, front, little flick, behind, side, front, kick, whisper with a little bounce. You ain't never had a friend like me. Gallop. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Coming forward, slow, slow, going back, quick, quick, quick. 2 steps. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Cross, flick, point, point, never had a friend like me. Beginning, ba-da-ba, turn, ba-da-ba, turn, one more, da-da-da, turn, run, da-la-la-la, finish. Good job, well done everyone. Thanks so much for dancing with me today, everybody. I really hope you've enjoyed learning that dance. Don't forget, now you've learned it, it's time to practice it with the music. So click that link below and dance it as many times as you want to with the music. Now, if you've enjoyed this kind of dance, this kind of song, please let me know and drop me a comment below. Also, if you've got any song requests that you would like me to choreograph new dances to, let me know and I will do my best to make it happen. Thanks for dancing with me and I hope to see you back here soon.